Welcome back. As people and businesses look to make a difference, one local business found a way to use technology to help. A Blaine business that specializes in screen printing and embroidery has turned their energy to 3D printing. When businesses started to shut down, screen printing orders at Upscale Designs also slowed down. So the owner, Carrie Elstrom, decided to look into printing face shields.
And we had a small 3D printer, so decided to throw some of the files. The files are available online through an open source program where people are sharing the different 3D printable face shield files. So we decided to throw them on our one printer that we had at the time just to mess with it, see if we can do anything with it.
It took some time and effort to hone it in. Elstrom bought 2 more printers, and once he had success, he asked others if they wanted to contribute to the purchase of more. Now, there's 14 3D printers.
We went from being able to print roughly 12 to maybe 16 shields a day on the 2 printers, up to about 80 to possibly 100, depending on where they land before we leave for the day.
They've printed more than 700 face shields and are working to get them to people and organizations that need them.
We found a lot of assisted living and nursing homes were in dire need of these because they don't order shields or this type of PPE as often. So by my understanding is they are not as eligible as medical facilities like hospitals. And so they needed these really bad, as unfortunately more of these assisted livings and nursing homes are seeing positive cases.
More than 150 face shields have been sent to those organizations so far, with a couple hundred more likely to be on the way before the end of the week. The face shields are being sent out free of charge.
We knew right away that we wanted to do this as a donation base because we didn't want the purchase of the shields to be a barrier for someone that's in need. So we just felt like right away we're going to donate these, and if it's God's will to fund this project, then that will happen.
They are keeping up with demand, so when they learned about another 3D printing need, they joined that cause. A custom automotive shop in Houston began printing a splitter that can be attached to a ventilator, allowing one machine to work for 2 people. Elstrom got in touch with them, got their design, and got to work.
Splitting the ventilators to be able to run one ventilator for more than one patient. So what we're helping them with is printing those splitters for the ventilators.
For Elstrom, finding a way to contribute to this cause was personal.
My wife's a nurse, and I hear more of what is going on than some people do, and just seeing the overwhelming need of the PPE and hearing of stories of some assisted livings where some of the employees don't even feel comfortable coming into work because they don't have the right protective equipment. We just knew that we had the ability to help make a difference with that.
You can learn more about contributing to the cause or requesting masks on Upscale Design's website. We have a link set up for you at northmetrotv.com.